Hey y'all, it's Amber from AmberTeaches, and I garden at night for the same reason people journal, stretch, or sit in silence. Because sometimes I just need a moment that's mine. At night, the garden is different. No lawnmowers, no weed eaters, no traffic sounds. And while I love the sound of kids playing, this is when the neighborhood finally gets quiet. I don't have to block out any noise with music or headphones. I don't have to pretend I'm in my own world because I actually am. I hear crickets, I hear frogs, sometimes an airplane overhead, but mostly I hear nature, steady, calming, alive. I can sit under my umbrella in the corner of the garden and actually take notes on what's working, what needs pruning, and what I want to plan next. During the day, I'm usually rushing, trying to beat the heat, trying to get everything done. And sometimes I forget to stop and observe. But at night, there's no rush. This is when I can really enjoy it. I move slower. I notice more. I see leaves turning toward the moonlight. Moths visiting the blooms that didn't open until sundown. And pests I wouldn't even catch during the daylight. The temperature is softer. The wind is slower. And my thoughts finally settle. Gardening at night isn't weird. It's how I reset. It's how I remember that growth is always happening, even when everyone else may be asleep. I'll holler at you guys next time.